Hello guys, so I am driving around Bank Road. Some people say na Library Avenue on a Bank Road. Na me I know am as, you understand, because of the numerous banks that we have here. Like you find all the commercial banks here. So I think that's why it's called Bank Road. Those of you that call it Library Avenue, you aren't wrong actually too, because we also have the library in this area. And now this is the government house. That's the front of the government house. And this heavy duty machine, I've always been seeing it here for some time now. I don't know. Okay, construction is actually going on. You can see the drainage construction, and the green white green fence is the fence of the government house. Like I told you guys, there are a lot of banks here. So opposite the fence, you are seeing nasty banks na in there. There is no bank that you not find there. UBA, First Bank, Zenith Bank, Eco Bank, Diamond, all of them. See Eco Bank now. Now them did this Bank Road, and I'm going to be driving, and I'm going to get to Aubara Square, from which we're going to be driving along the first 6-lane road in Umuahia, the first of its kind in Umuahia. So guys, I know you have seen the road before, but just come with me. Let me show you guys how it is. You know, in 2025, this August, now August we did. These are a festival month, a month when we celebrate New Yam Festival here in Umuahia. If you notice, check and where you go see say street lights day two, one for the middle of the road. You see Amabi. And the one beside the road. No wonder if they pass through Bank Road, you will notice, or of recent, that at night everywhere they glow, everywhere they shine. Fidelity Bank is there around here. If this is the first time you are tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome. Kindly watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. So see you now. Listen to the column. Traffic lights. Hey, this administration come make Umuahia now. Many things now they work. Before we no get all these things, so you understand. I know we don't get them. That's the water fountain in Aubara Square. Then the sculpture you are seeing there, na be Aubara, the late Aubara, Mr. Michael Aubara. Yes, man, will go bite my tongue. Now this road you are seeing is the first 6-lane road ever in Umuahia, the first of its kind. Now, when this road was completed, it was renamed to Aguiyi Ironsi Boulevard. 1, 2, 3. Now in this section, 1, 2, 3. The next section. So kindly watch this video down to the end. This video is going to be ending at Abia Tower. So if you want to see what Abia Tower looks like, you can watch the video down to the end. If you haven't clicked the subscribe button yet, kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video.